It was very good. The guys were here, as early as they could get here. They worked very hard all day. It was so hot outside and the poor things were melting, but they did a really good job. They cleaned up after themselves. They dealt with 3 dogs barking at them and following them and licking them. And they were really good sports and they did a good job, and I love my new windows and my sliders. We noticed yesterday that we don't hear the cars go by anymore. We used to hear every car that drove by, every leaf that fell, so yes, we did notice that for sure. They were really good. They were really sweet, and I felt really bad because my dogs did drive them crazy, and they were fine with it and understanding, and I did make them cookies to take home on the road because I felt really bad. But they did a great job, and like I said, they cleaned up after themselves, which is really important to me because I don't want someone to come in the house and make a big mess and then leave for me to clean up everything. So they did a really good job. The office called me, every time something was coming up. When they ordered the windows, they said, okay, we ordered them, they're coming in, this is when they'll be in, and that's when they were in. And then she'd call me and say, okay, they're here. And she pretty much kept me updated on everything that was going on. And the guys did call me right before they left Boynton Beach, which is about 2 hours from me. So, I knew they said they were going to be here at about 11 o'clock, and they were. I mean, it was really a good process. We're really excited because we've had this house for about 2 years, and we really couldn't wait to get the new windows because the windows in this house were probably original, which I called them saran wrap windows because that's basically how thin they were. And I'm really, really happy with these new windows. They're really durable and beautiful, and I mean, they make the house look younger, if that makes sense. I mean, they really are really nice, and we're really happy with them. And I have already recommended your company to several people.